Doon si Oscar, nakita niya na nagse-celebrate yung team.
Yun nga, hindi nila hinintay, hindi nila
So, yun nga yung doon, yung parang discussion, parang to think na yung PR.
Welcome back! Welcome to our Meme Podium Singapore edition.
Yay!
Exciting, correct.
And we have our WAG expert back.
Exactly. So, let's kick it off with our WAGs portion.
Present ang lahat ng WAGs. Happy to report. Everyone's there. But they're always there naman pag Singapore, even in the past years.
I know.
Diba? So, Alex is there, Rebecca's there. I think Ika was not there kasi nasa Paris
Fashion Week siya.
Sino si Kika yung kay
Pierre.
Pierre?
Kay Pierre. Si Carmen maraming exposure. Si
Carmen's
George.
there.
Oo, meron pa silang picture na dalawa.
Dun sa trap. Nagpicture
In the
sila.
pool, tapos in the trap.
Favorite nila yung pool.
Oo, nagsiselebrate sila. Favorite nila yung pool.
Ano
sa TTS? Yes, yung sa Singapore din yun. Na nasa pool sila.
Doon ko first nakita na nakilala ko rin.
Lily. Also my favorite.
Albons.
Lily. Albons girlfriend. Tapos hindi ko alam ang mga girlfriend ng mga newbies kasi
I-research mo yan, sis. Balita ko may
bago pala eh.
Oo, nakita ko
bago
yan.
yung girlfriend ni Isaac Hajar. Lauren is the name.
Okay, i-research natin.
Next episode.
Oo, may controversy ka dyan eh.
No, I think she looks older than Isa.
Opinion mo lang yun.
Yes. And taller. She's so tall.
Model there.
Yeah.
Alam mo naman, I think Rebecca's taller than Carlos.
Because F1 drivers are not that tall. I mean, si Ocon lang at saka si Bearman yung matangkad.
Saka si George.
Yeah, George. George is tall considering he's an F1 driver.
Yeah. And then the fashion scene is so nice.
Yes, what's the fashion scene?
So si Alex na naman.
Si Alex yung kay
last year, she was wearing Chongkam by a brand called Saudi. Ngayon naman, mataas yung expectation ko. At nag-deliver naman ang kanyang fashion. Sinabak niya yung kasi maganda yung last year, super ganda. So ngayon, vintage Roberto Cavalli. Tapos, same sila ni
Lily Albon.
Lily Albon.
As in pareho or parehong vintage?
Para sila ng vintage.
Robert.
Tapos, ang picture ni Alex is You Read My Mind at Lily. Tapos, kinala, love, ganyan. Tapos sabi ni Lily na, bakit hindi tayo ng picture together? Maggie was there too.
Maggie was there too.
Ito yung kay Lando, diba?
Si Maggie.
Kaya siguro may
7 seconds exposure.
May siren si Lando.
Uy, I was telling you about it yesterday.
Oh.
Merong parang paparazzi video after nung race na nagpunta si Lando sa hospitality. Maggie was waiting.
Yeah, I saw that video.
And they were so sweet. The sweet nila.
Sweet nila. Yeah.
Sweet.
Parang sweet si Lando talaga.
Oo, honeymoon stage. Diyos.
Very parang baby boy siya.
Sila. Kaya yan yung gusto nito eh.
Ganun nga. Para lang siyang bata.
Oo.
Tapos yung
Celebrity sightings. There's
Filipinos are there.
Oo.
Si Catriona. Tapos may
Si Catriona nag-host ng ano yata.
Nag-host siya ng Ferrari show?
Oo.
Yes. Katri hosted a Ferrari show.
In her red gown, sabi nga.
Yes, ang sexy.
Oo nga. Si Yunlin.
Oo nga, yun.
Si Captain Ray.
Oo nga, nasa Ferrari siya.
Pinipilit siya siya.
Oo naman. Para talaga siyang parang hindi nagbago, parang hindi tumanda.
Yeah, you mentioned Luis Capaldi.
Oo.
He was interviewed by Martin Brundage in the Grid Walk.
Oo.
Tapos hindi siya kilala ni Martin. Hindi siya kilala.
Eh, ba siya in-interview ni Martin? Hindi
Parang
siya
alam niya lang na celebrity. Tapos andun yung kapatid niya. Tapos
Kapatid
akala
ni-
ni Luis Capaldi. Akala ni Martin.
siya si Lloyd.
Ngayon, let's go into gossip or memes. Memes pala muna.
Our favorite meme.
Ako na lang muna kasi hindi naman relevant sa mga sa
Sige.
Singapore race.
Oo. Natawa lang talaga ako nung nakita ko.
Stroll versus McDonald's.
McDonald's drive-thru.
Sabi nung crew, did daddy pay for that too? Parang gano'n. Ba't mo nagusto? Explain yourself.
Dahil nga, pinag-usapan na natin sila. I think they're more deserving F1 drivers.
Definitely.
He's taking a spot of a more deserving.
He's taking a spot, but
Hey,
his dad is paying for it.
Exactly.
Cash is king.
So, I
Correct.
feel like his dad saying, either my son will be there or I'll take out the whole team.
Exactly. I mean, funny lang kasi nga, I mean, ganun talaga yung impression sa kanya. And, funny nung meme. Ewan ko siguro, does he really like what he's doing? Or,
Diba, okay
I
naman
think
siya.
during
He's
the
not
first
bored.
years, he had a podium. He even had a pole. So, Williams.
Okay.
Before.
Yes.
So, I don't know. Ngayon.
Wala na eh.
I think he already gave up, but his dad hasn't given up yet.
Or get a long shirt.
Ayun,
Forced to get along si Oscar at saka si
Ganito na rin ata kami in the future ni Ate Ben.
In fairness naman,
Sabi
during the
naman.
parang yung picture taking nila sa garage, nag-usap naman na yung dalawa, si Lando at saka si Oscar. They look like they're in good terms. Pati yung sa celebration nila sa headquarters nila sa MTC. Parang okay naman na si Oscar.
Natawa ako dun sa comment, Ray so boring, decide to post memes during the night.
Si Mark Webber. Sabi niya, good. Let the hate flow through you. Piastri. Tapos ito yung si Keanu.
As a mentor.
Ito yung isa. Keanu, anong movie to?
Bill and Ted.
Bill and Ted.
Yung mga bago niyong
This is Oscar before Singapore.
Bill and Ted.
Or in Singapore. And then, si John Wick na. Si Oscar magiging John Wick na siya sa Texas. Tapos ito favorite ko. Piastri winning the championship and saying, not bad for a number 2 driver on the radio. Please God, let this happen because it would be so effing funny.
And every depressed person
that
is
one,
an even more depressed person.
Kasi si Charles yung nasa likod niya.
Very on team tayo.
On
McLaren and Ferrari.
Pagka may mga drama na ganyan, tapos biglang after lap 1, boring na. Maraming memes.
Correct. Wala pinag-aabalahan ng mga...
Our checkered thoughts.
First is, anong unahin natin? The first one is yung Oscar not showing up. It's a gossip or sa
Constructor awarding or
So
celebration.
there's a context behind that. So Oscar was actually in the media pen being interviewed. So tapos nagkaroon ng podium presentation, 'di ba, yung first, second, third, nandun sila sa podium. Tapos yung Formula 1 mismo, sila pala yung nagpaakyat dun sa crew ng McLaren. Tapos, siguro nakasalubong lang nila si Lando when Lando's going to the media pen. Come on, let's celebrate with us. So, yun nga. Andun pa si Oscar, ini-interview pa siya sa media pen. Kaya hindi siya nakasali. May picture nga na may meme na.
Hindi nila hinintay.
Andun si Oscar, nakita niya na nagsa-celebrate yung team.
Yun nga, hindi nila hinintay, hindi nila
So,
hinanap.
yun nga yung doon, yung parang discussion, parang to think na yung PR team ng McLaren is so into dapat fair lang.
Exactly.
Kapag po-post sila sa Instagram, parang Oscar and Lando, ganyan. Sabay pa lang silang ini-interview, lagi dapat silang, get along, ganyan. Tapos parang, siguro sa sobrang euphoria nung pagkapanalo nila, nawala na sa isip nila na, ay, teka lang, yung championship leader pala natin, wala dito. Yung naghapot ng maraming points.
Kaya siya umabot sa ganyan. Correct.
Ang alam din si Lando, di ba? The optics of it.
Exactly.
So,
Anong sagot?
Makakalimutan ba ng, kunyari, let's say,
ang dami
Mercedes,
si George, makakalimutan ba ng Red Bull si Ma?
Ayun nga. Mercedes, si Luis, no? Yung mga ganon.
Sobra, ang daming galit na fans. Dahil sa parang, ito na talaga yung pinaka-proof na favorite nila si Lando. Parang gano'n.
Anong sagot? Walang, hindi nila naman sa...
Under the,
Hindi nila hindi sila
under the ano lang, under the rug.
Do you agree?
Sabi parang royalty nun. No, ano yung motto ng royalty?
Para sinasabi nila, Lando wasn't meant to be there. Nahakot lang siya. Parang gano'n.
What? So magpipicture din silang walang drivers? Ganun din.
Kasi nga, it's for the team.
Ayun nga, part naman ng team yung drivers, di ba?
Ano siya, miscom, mismanage ng F1 mismo, tsaka ng McLaren PR team. Yes. Pero nag-picture naman sila sa garage. Andun na yung dalawa. tapos meron na silang special, yung dalawang kotse magkasunod. Si Zach Brown tsaka si Oscar nasa isang car. Tapos si Andrea Stella tsaka si Lando sa isang car. Tapos dala-dala nila yung trophy. Tapos dalawa si Lando tsaka si Oscar na nagkaroon ng trophy. Yan.
Okay. Sabi nila eh.
Sabi niyo eh.
Oo, sabi niyo eh. Again, in McLaren's world again, Zach Brown versus Alex Palou.
Controversy.
So first things first, who's Alex Palou?
Who is Alex Palou? So siya pala yung reserve driver ng McLaren. Before Oscar came on board. Ano bang year si Oscar? 2023. Yung yung controversial yung pagpunta ni Oscar sa McLaren, di ba? Kasi he was an Alpine reserve driver.
Ito yung...
Twitter.
Tapos si Alex Palou, related siya doon. Because before Oscar, he was the reserve driver. So meron siyang contract with McLaren. Galing siya sa yung McLaren Driver Academy.
Yeah.
So parang may investment si McLaren sa kanya. They paid for his testing, ganyan. Kaso lang, after noon, ang gusto pala ni McLaren is, since nandun na si Oscar sa kanila, parang 1-year contract lang si Oscar. Tingnan muna nila kung what would be his performance. So gusto nilang i-keep si Alex Palou as a reserve driver. And at the same time, drive for them for the IndyCar race. Kasi magaling din yung McLaren sa IndyCar. Sa IndyCar race. Pero ang ginawa niya, parang ang nag-file ng court cases McLaren na breach $20 million court case. na breach daw niya yung contract nila kasi hindi siya tumuloy mag-drive for McLaren sa Indy. Nag-stay siya sa current niyang team. Tapos parang sinasabi ng McLaren, something
okay.
Sa IndyCar race. Tapos parang sinasabi
nanalo ba siya doon?
Mas mataas yata yung team nila kaysa sa McLaren.
Okay.
So kaya, hence the court case, kasi sinasabi ni McLaren na dahil hindi siya nag-drive for them, they lose the IndyCar, so the championship, so they lose money and sponsorship, ganon. Tapos ito na yung controversy na during the court, nag-testify na si Alex. Tapos sinabi niya,
talagang
it's a court case. Parang sinabi niya na it wasn't Zach Brown who hired Oscar. It was actually the previous team principal, Seidel, Andrea Seidel. Tapos, na yung basis ng contract niya with McLaren is based on lies and false promises. Kasi ang sabi daw ni Zach sa kanya is, he will be driving for their F1 team. Tapos sabi niya, since nag-sinay nila si Oscar, I don't think, parang yung future niya has been compromised. I don't think that they will, be true to their promise. So, yun yung parang naging reason niya kung bakit siya nag-breach contract. Parang yun. Tapos sabi niya, hindi pwedeng solely i-blame sa akin kung bakit hindi nanalo yung McLaren sa IndyCar race. Parang it's also about the car. I mean, I'm just a driver. Parang si Fernando Alonso daw, two-time world champion sa F1. Pag hindi naman maganda yung car niya, nag-IndyCar din siya, hindi rin siya nanalo. So, why blame it on me? Parang gano'n. So, that's the...
Fair.
So, ano to still ongoing?
Still ongoing. Yeah, McLaren has yet to testify.
Interesting.
Sabi ng mga comments, ang unang-unang pagkakamali niya is naniwala daw siya kay Zac. Yung marketing.
O kaya, was never put into writing. Kaya wala siyang habol.
Pero yung contract niya is just to be the F1 reserve
Driver, correct. Pero yung mga promises ni Zac sa kanya was na. So,
yes.
Zac can deny it, basically.
Pero bakit siya isusunan?
Yun nga.
Ba't makahabulin?
But yung driver ang hinahabol mo.
Exactly. So,
kumikita ba yan ng 20 million sa pagiging
hindi
driver?
Parang sabi niya nga, yung iba nilang indie driver na sikat din. Kasi sila Pato Ward, sikat din yun eh. Parang gusto din mag-F1. Mas mataas pa yung sweldo sa kanya.
Kaya nga.
So yun, I don't know.
Final checkered thought, a happy thought.
Si,
You pronounce his last name, Roman
Grosjean.
Grosjean.
If you remember him. The man on fire. Naalala mo ba yung episode na
Nakita ko sa DBS.
nanonood pa yung asawa niya dun sa ano yata.
Oh my God, that's scary, diba? Kasi nahati yung car, tas on fire talaga. Tapos yung kamay lang niya yung parang na-burn, parang gano'n. So, that was his last race in F1. His contract was expiring that season. Pero dapat meron pa siyang few races to go. But then he got injured. So he didn't get to finish that season.
Sino nang pumalit sa kanya doon?
Ano yun, tanggal sila parehas si Kevin Magnussen tsaka si
Mick.
Roman So, dalawang rookie pumalit, diba? Si Mick Schumacher tsaka yung Russian. Nalalaw pa yung Russian.
Si
Mazepin. Si Mazepin.
Oh my God, wala na lang yung mga
Mazepin kasi yung nickname niya eh.
So yeah, so si Romain Grosjean. So meron palang ginawang helmet yung mga anak niya for his supposedly last race. So he didn't get to wear it.
Yeah.
So I think during the break, nag-arrange si Ayo Komatsu, yung currently principal ng Haas. So he got to drive his last drive in F1 wearing the helmet. It's a nice story. Yes.
On that note, we're ending ito na nice story.
Yes.
That's it.
That's our meme podium
Singapore edition.
See you next time. Like and
Bye-bye.
subscribe. Follow us on Instagram and YouTube.
Grass and Gossip. Bye-bye.